Hi, community. Big welcome. Thank you so much for pressing play. My name is Kristin Skelton. I'm the founder of Bud Funding, and here we're all about helping you live your best sustainable life. In this quick craft, I want to show you how to upcycle a sock into a drawer freshener sachet. We've all been in the situation where we've lost one sock and we only have one left and we don't quite know what to do with it. So this is a great quick little project. So for this project, you'll need one lonely sock. You'll need some twine. You'll need something to fill your sock with. I'm going to use lavender, but if you don't have lavender around, you could use something as simple as loose leaf tea. Something like chai tea would smell really good, so that's another option if you want to do a little hunt in your kitchen. And some scissors. So to get started, you can take your sock and I'm using an ankle sock here, and fold it over halfway just so I can get a good opening, because I'm going to take my lavender and just pour it directly in, and hopefully I don't make a mess. And I'm spilling a bit, but that's okay. As long as you get the majority in there. And now I can fold it back up. And so you can kind of put any amount in there, anything from up to half a cup you could definitely use, or quarter cup. I'm just using a little in the toe, so I just want the toe to be filled. Then take your twine, and I have about 10 inches. This is 10 inches that I'm going to use, and just tie it around. And again, it can be a twine or kind of any crafting string or a ribbon, whatever you want to upcycle. I'm just tying it, and then I'm going to tie it a couple more times just to make sure it's secure. So that's a double knot, and let's do a triple knot. Okay, I think that's pretty tight, and I have my little sachet there. So now I'm just going to cut off the top, and actually that almost kind of looks cute. Like you could actually leave that as a little top, but I'm going to cut it just for the sake of this video. I'm just going to cut the top off. These are small but mighty, powerful scissors. These are actually fabric scissors. And now I have my little sock sachet. So you can put this in any drawer to help it freshen up. And it's a quick and easy project that you can make with anything you have at home almost. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. You can definitely share your creations to our Facebook group. We have a great community over there. And because I would love to see what you guys are making. And I will see you all next week. Have a great day. And I appreciate everyone very much for being part of Bud Funding community. Bye for now.